Hello traders, let's analyze the Bank Nifty and Nifty50 prediction and as well as the Sensex market. So market is building up the liquidity, so I could able to see good liquidity is building up, see, and there is a huge demand over here. I'm still strong with the support for the daily analysis, which is S1 which is at 24,405 and the S2 is around 23,977, see 947. So when I go for the Monday market, how it's going to be react. So I'm taking this liquidity zone as a support, so I'm marking this level as a support, intermediate support. I'm writing here over this as a day support for Monday. So Monday is around 26, okay, 26 May. Okay, this is a day support, but as well I could able to see a demand over here. I could able to see a good demand over this one. So this is a good demand zone. I'm expecting market to reach this area, which is at 24,728 at least, minimum at least it could able to reach this area. 24,728 is the key demand area where market can get reversed. Go with confirmation on this area, but it's a key level. So and I could able to see a liquidity build up over here, 1 2 3 4. So once it broken this zone, you can expect this zone. So this is a liquidity where this area act as a resistance. I'm changing the color. So where this area will be act as a resistance for the day. So mark this as well. Resistance for the day is 24,958. So this is a key level, and if it is break upper in the weekly, we could able to see the resistance R1, which is at 25,253. It can go on this level, and according to that we can see where market moves further. Okay, so this is the important level of Nifty50, and let us go for the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty reaches the resistance 2, and it is currently in the selling area. So even though if it is in the selling area, I expect the Bank Nifty needs to come down. So this is a selling area of the Bank Nifty. Okay, so it has to comes down this R1. Now the R1 became the support, just change. So R1 changes to support. Okay, so where this 54,916 act as a huge reversal area where we can look for the demand zone, over here. Okay, and so this is the more things in the Bank Nifty. I can say like this is the key demand zone over here. So if it is a good demand, if market reaches this R1, which is changes as a support, and it can push further from here. So it can be pushed with confirmation and go with the confirmation over here. So and it should not break further below this trend line. So market is over in this trend line, it should be goes in this way. Okay, so wait and watch and go with the confirmation in Bank Nifty, and we can look for the Sensex. in Sensex, I think. See, there is a gap which is in the market already, which needs to be filled. Once again, this needs to be filled, but it has been filled partially, like 20%, no 15%, 15% only filled. Okay, it has to fill at least 50%. It has to fill at least 50%. Okay, which will be like over in this area, like near 80,160. So market is already in the selling zone, and which is in the resistance. It is in the selling area. Okay, and also in the resistance level. Okay, this is a resistance. Market is getting reversal in the short time demand. This has to this huge demand, which is from 80,667 to 79,597. This can be filled in the upcoming days. Now you are looking for a short time demand, in the sense, if you are looking for the short time demand, you can look on this part. I'm changing the color into the purple, so that this can intimate to you as a short time demand. Okay, this is the short period, or I can say this is a short period demand, where we can see the price movement to 81,200. So if this get activated, then the price movement can trigger up to this level, 81,200 to 215, exactly 81,200. Okay, so this is the analysis of Sensex, Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty. I hope this video is useful to you. Thanks for watching this video.